Okay, next equipment, that is BOD. I have already discussed what is the incubator. What is BOD? It is biological oxygen demand. It means it is the amount of dissolved oxygen it is needed, that is demanded by the aerobic biological organism to break down the organic material which is present in the given water sample at certain temperature over a specific period of time. Are you getting the meaning of BOD? That is biological oxygen demand. It means what? It is the amount of dissolved oxygen needed, that is demanded by the aerobic biological organisms to break down the organic material which is present in the given water sample at certain temperature over a specific period of time. The BOD value is most commonly expressed in, that is the unit of BOD, it is milligram. The milligram of oxygen is consumed per liter of sample during 5 days of incubation at 20 degrees Celsius. Okay, the BOD value is most commonly expressed in, that is it is expressed in milligram of oxygen consumed per liter of sample during 5 days of incubation at 20 degrees Celsius. The BOD analysis is similar in function to the chemical oxygen demand, that is COD. The BOD analysis and the COD analysis is the same in that both measure the amount of organic compounds in water. In COD and also BOD, what we can measure? We can measure the amount of organic compound in water. However, the COD analysis is less specific since it measures the everything that can be chemically oxidized rather than just the level of biologically oxidized organic matter. Keep in mind, the COD analysis is less specific since it measures everything that can be chemically oxidized rather than just the levels of biologically oxidized organic matter. This is the BOD. Next, we will see the microscope. I have already discussed the microscope. Microscope, it consists of two lenses. First, that is eye lens and objective lens. The objective lens is a lens kept behind the object and eye lens is kept on the microscope. So what is the difference between? That is the microscope having two lenses. First, that is eye lens, and second, objective lens. The objective lens is kept behind the object and eye lens is kept on the top of microscope, that is on this place through which we can look, that is your eye lens. Firstly, object is placed behind the objective of microscope which is turned into the virtual, erect and magnified images. Later this images is thought to the object for the eye lens and this object form a real inverted and magnified image. The microscope is used to study the proper and enlarged, well-defined images of object, too small to be observed with naked eyes. Then wipe the objectives by use of soft cloth by moving the cloth across. Then next, oil immersion objective. Remove the oil with an absorbent paper. Then moisten the cloth with xylene and wipe the lens carefully by cleaning the eyepiece. Then cleaning the eyepiece, clean the upper surface of eyepiece with a soft cloth. Then cleaning the lower surface of eyepiece with a cloth and faint brush. Then next, cleaning of condenser. The condenser is cleaned with soap cloth, moistened with xylene. Then cleaning of support and the cleaning of stage. Clean with a soft piece of cloth with a xylene. And this stage can be cleaned thoroughly well by use of a petroleum jelly. These are the few parts of microscope. What are the parts? First, lenses. I have discussed the types of lenses and where it is located. Then all immersion objectives. Then cleaning of, so then eyepiece, then condenser, then support and stage. Then there are different parts of microscope. First eyepiece, then observation tube, then nose piece, then objective lenses, then stage, then condenser, then lens, then iris, diaphragm, then light source, then base of microscope, then fine focus. Then there are two types of focus in microscope: fine focus and coarse focus. Then coaxial, stage control and neck. Then observation tube and eyepiece. These are the parts of microscope. So these are the requirements or equipments which are used for your microbiology practical. Yes, I will stop here. We will see the next practical in your next practical. We will see the next practical at your next practical.